Today we're going to be talking about systems of equations. You have a system of equation when you have two or more equations with the same variables. Okay, so your equations have the same variables. So you can't have one equation have x, y, and another equation have a, b. Okay? They have to be the same. When we're solving systems of equations, you can solve by two ways. The first way is by solving graphically, which means that the points where x, y is where the 2 points or the two lines intersect, or where they cross. So where two lines cross, that is your answer. Your answer is going to be written as an ordered pair, hence the xy. So this is an ordered pair. That would be your answer. The other way that you can solve this is by algebraically, which is what we're going to learn later on in the week, or next week. That point is what makes both equations true. And we'll learn about that next week. So what makes both equations true? You have different types of solutions, okay? If my lines are intersecting, so if I draw two lines and they intersect, how many times do those two lines intersect? Once. So how many solutions do you have? One. And it's going to be written as an ordered pair.
So what's the ordered pair going to be?
Where they intersect. Your ordered pair is where they intersect. So if they intersect here, that is your answer. Parallel lines, do they ever cross? No. So I'm going to draw two lines that are parallel, which means they never cross. So if they never cross, you have what kind of solution? No solution. This is written with the zero with the line through, and I'm about to take up a phone. Okay? So parallel lines have no solutions. What if it's the same line? For example, if I have this line and my another line literally crosses right over it, it's the exact same line, how many times does those two lines cross? Every point they cross again, right? Do what? However long it is. But a line, does this line ever going to stop? So what? So then, what kind of solution do you have? Infinite solution. So you draw the infinity sign. So, like I said, today we're going to be talking about how to solve graphically. So, some steps to solve a system by graphing. Your first step is to rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. What's slope-intercept form? It's the only equation y'all ever remember. Y equals mx plus b. That is slope-intercept form. Okay? How are we solving this by? We're solving systems by... So what's step 2? Graph the equations. Or graph the lines. So step 3 is just to identify the solutions. So identify the solutions. So let's look at an example. Problem 1. I have y equals x minus 8 and y equals negative 2x plus 1. Step 1. Make sure they are in slope-intercept form. Are both of my equations in slope-intercept form? Yes. So step 1, done. Graph my lines. If I have y equals mx plus b, what is m? Like, what does m stand for? Slope. So m is slope. And b is what? Y-intercept. So m is my slope, b is my y-intercept. So problem 1, I have y equals x minus 8. What is my y-intercept? Negative 8. So I'm going to put a point at negative 8 on my graph. What's my slope? 1 over 1. What does 1 over 1 mean? Okay, you say go up 1, you say over 1, left or right? Right. So I'm going to go up 1, over 1. Am I done? What do I do? Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. There's a reason why I've asked y'all to keep going this whole time. And it is for this reason when we are graphing solutions. Okay. I'm going to switch colors. Okay. Second equation. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. What's my y-intercept? 1. Put a point at positive 1 on the y-axis. Okay, what's my slope? Over 1. So then I do what? You always go right. So go down 2, right 1. Is this getting me closer to my line? So keep going that direction. Go down 2, right 1. Do I need to go the other direction? Do I need to? What am I looking for? I'm trying to get them to cross. So all I have to do now, I don't have to continue my points, just continue the line. Your answer, it is a one solution answer, but your answer is the ordered pair where they cross. So your answer is that ordered pair. 3, negative 5. That is your answer. Okay? I want you to try the rest on your own, okay? Y'all already know how to graph. Y'all know how to change the equations from standard to y-intercept. The only difference now is what kind of solution is it? And tell me what that solution is. So try the rest on your own.